Thank you all for tuning into the ACG Houston Deal of the Year Awards virtual ceremony. My name is Tron Allen. I am the Chief Commercial Officer at Encina Business Credit and the Chair of the Deal of the Year Awards. With this event, our mission is to honor the deal and deal makers who drive middle market growth, resulting in job growth, capital formation, and the advancement of meaningful business relationships. The committee and I are excited to be celebrating our fourth annual ceremony, and we're especially grateful to you for tuning in to celebrate all the deals and deal makers who continue to thrive in 2020, despite all the challenges faced this past year. Every deal nominated deserves to be recognized for overcoming unprecedented conditions to complete a successful transaction. From a government-mandated lockdown to virtual diligence meetings, restricted travel, and general market uncertainty, there are many factors at play to keep deal makers up at night. However, these deals survive because of the talent, dedication, and expertise represented by our ACG Houston community, and the greater Houston economy is better off because of it. And although we're hoping to have this year's ceremony in person, the deals represented here today send a message of perseverance that leave us hopeful for our thriving city in the months and years ahead. To kick things off, we want to first thank our wonderful panel of independent judges and top business leaders who have reviewed and ranked our finalists and winners. In no particular order, we have Eric Bruce, Senior Managing Consultant, Briggs & Veselka; Ernest Hunter, CEO of the Frenchies Companies; Kelly Williams, Director at Milestone Venture Group; Kenneth Guidry, Founding Shareholder and Director Ambassador at PKF Texas; Ken Wiles, Executive Director of Hicks Muse Tate Center for Private Equity Finance; and Pamela Martinson, Partner at Sidley Austin. Of course, none of this could be made possible without the support of our sponsors. We especially want to thank them for supporting us during this uniquely challenging time. So thank you, Gray Reed, Solomon Edwards, and Statesman's Business Advisors. We want to thank everyone who submitted nominations this year. The criteria for the nominations includes a closing date between January 1, 2020 and December 31st, 2020, with transactions that have a tie to the greater Houston area. The nomination criteria included details such as transaction value range, industry focus, and type of transaction, as well as commentary on what made the deals unique. The judges evaluated deals the parties submitted, as well as the overall story, economic and strategic impact, shareholder value, and professional expertise. Based on those nominations, the deals were broken into the following categories, as here shown on the screen. Now, on with the show. I'm going to first hand it to Brock with Gray Reed to announce the finalists and winners for the first category, Consumer Products and Services.
Thanks, Tron. Hello, my name is Brock Nesgoda, and I'm a corporate M&A partner at Gray Reed, a full-service law firm based in Texas. First, I'm going to present the finalist and winner for the Consumer Products and Services Deal of the Year. The finalists in that category are: first, Amtel has been acquired by Amtel Partners, and Ebro Group and Riviana Foods sale of U.S. pasta portfolio to Treehouse Foods. And the winner is Amtel has been acquired by Amtel Partners. Congratulations to Boyer Miller, who submitted this deal. The next category is Industrial Power and Infrastructure, $25 million to $100 million Deal of the Year. The finalists are Ingram Barge Company, LLC, to acquire Cheryl K, LLC, and San Jacinto River Fleet, LLC. Acquisition and investment of Conco Services. Griffin Dewatering Acquisition. Warren Equity Partners with USA Water to acquire C Environmental. And the winner is Acquisition and Investment of Conco Services. Congratulations to Rising Point Capital, who submitted this deal. Next category is Industrial Power and Infrastructure, $100 million or higher, Deal of the Year. The finalists are Highline Aftermarket Acquisitions, Macquarie Infrastructure Corporation $2.685 billion sale of IMTT to Riverstone Holdings, and Oryx Capital Partners acquisition of Special Welding and Turnarounds LLC. And the winner is Highline Aftermarket Acquisitions. Congratulations to the Sterling Group who submitted the deal. Next category is Industrial Power and Infrastructure Private Equity Deal of the Year. The finalists are Griffin Dewatering Acquisition, Stainless Hose Fittings Ltd. has been acquired by Harbor Group, and the Toit Company acquired by Denver Glass Interiors. And the winner is Stainless Hose Fittings Ltd. has been acquired by the Harbor Group. Congratulations to Statesman Business Advisors who submitted this deal. Now I'm going to pass it along to Will Jaco with Statesman Business Advisors to announce the Industrial Power and Infrastructure Strategic category.
Thanks, Brock. Hello, everyone. My name is Will Jaco, and I'm founding principal at Statesman Corporate Finance. Statesman is a leading regional middle market investment banking firm serving a breadth of private and smaller public companies in the areas of mergers and acquisitions, capital sourcing, restructuring, valuation, and strategic advisory. We have offices in Houston and Austin, and this year we're proudly celebrating our 26th year in business, helping middle market business owners optimize the value of their companies. Today, I'm grateful for the opportunity to present this year's finalist and winner for the Industrial Power and Infrastructure Strategic Deal of the Year. The finalists are Oryx Capital Partners Acquisition of Special Welding and Turnarounds, LLC. Quest has been acquired by UFP Industries, and the acquisition of FlowSafe by Dresser Natural Gas Solutions. And the winner is Oryx Capital Partners Acquisition of Special Welding and Turnarounds, LLC. Congratulations to our friends at Cadence Bank who submitted this deal. The next category is Energy, $25 million to $100 million Deal of the Year. The finalists are Blackbuck Resources acquires White City Water Infrastructure from Cimarex Energy Company, and SMG Industries acquired the 5J Transportation Group. And the winner is Blackbuck Resources acquires White's City Water Infrastructure from Cimarex Energy Company. Congratulations to Blackbuck Resources who submitted this deal. The next category is Energy $100 million and Larger Deal of the Year. The finalists are BJ Services Restructure, Hoover Ferguson Recapitalization, and 6th Street Partners US $402 million overriding royalty transaction with Antero Resources. And the winner is Hoover Ferguson Recapitalization. Congratulations to Simmons Energy, a division of Piper Sandler, who submitted this deal. The next category is Energy Private Equity Deal of the Year. The finalists are acquisition of Lufkin Industries from Baker Hughes and Artificial Lift Segment Carve-out, BJ Services Restructure, and Blackbuck Resources acquires White City Water Infrastructure from Cimarex Energy Company. And the winner is acquisition of Lufkin Industries from Baker Hughes and Artificial Lift Segment Carve-out. Congratulations to Simmons Energy, a division of Piper Sandler, who submitted this deal. Now, I'm going to pass it along to Pavan with Solomon Edwards to announce the Energy Strategic category.
Thanks, Will. Hello, my name is Pavan Medarata. I'm a Vice President of Business Development at Solomon Edwards. Solomon Edwards is a national professional services firm focused on strategy execution. By providing exceptional talent for complex situations, we deliver strategic expertise, apply proven project delivery models, and design custom solutions, transitioning our client strategies into reality. Our 4 main areas of focus are accounting and finance, business transformation, governance and regulatory compliance, and transaction and regulatory advisory services. I'm going to present the finalists and winner for the Energy Deal of the Year, Strategic. The finalists are Approach Resources, Chapter 11 Asset Sale to Zarvona, BJ Services Restructure, Blackburn Resources acquires White's City Water Infrastructure from Cimarex Energy Co. And the winner is BJ Services Restructure. Congratulations to Simmons Energy, a division of Piper Sandler, who submitted this deal. The next category is the Technology Deal of the Year. The finalists are Icon Information Consultants acquires VendorPass from Modus, a wholly owned subsidiary of the Adecco Group. G&A Partners Recapitalization, Pensair Acquisition Corp., now American Virtual Cloud Technologies, and Stratus Management Systems, Inc., doing business as Computex Technology Solutions, business combination. And the winner is Icon Information Consultants acquires VendorPass from Modus, a wholly owned subsidiary of the Adecco Group. Congratulations to the Statesman's business advisors who submitted this deal. The next category is Recapitalization Deal of the Year. The finalists are acquisition of Lufkin Industries from Baker Hughes and artificial lift segment carve-out. Hoover Ferguson Recapitalization, Warren Equity Partners with USA Water to acquire C Environmental. And the winner is Warren Equity Partners with USA Water to acquire C Environmental. Congratulations to Crutchfield Capital who submitted this deal. The next category is Restructuring Deal of the Year. Finalists are Approach Resources Chapter 11 Asset Sale to Zarvona, BJ Services Restructure, Watson Valve Services Inc., 363 Bankruptcy Sale of Assets to Mogas Industries Inc. And the winner is Watson Valve Services Inc., 363 Bankruptcy Sale of Assets to Mogas Industries Inc. Congratulations to Statesman Business Advisors who submitted this deal. And now I'm going to pass it back to Tron for one final deal category and to conclude today's event.
Now, we have one final deal that we would like to honor, and that is our overall Deal of the Year winner, which was selected by our judges. And the winner, above all the deals nominated this year, is Icon Information Consultant, who acquires VendorPass from Modus. This deal was selected by our judges as the Deal of the Year because of the economic impact, job creation for Houston, and strategic growth opportunities for the company. That concludes today's ceremony. Thank you all for tuning into the 2020-2021 ACG Houston Deal of the Year Awards ceremony. We hope to see you in person next year.